Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Nvidia Geforce RTX 4070 Super, a graphics card that's generating quite a buzz in the gaming community. It promises to be a significant upgrade over its predecessor, the RTX 4070 and potentially a viable alternative to the upcoming RTX 4080 Super. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting off with the design, the RTX 4070 Super retains a familiar look with its robust triple-slot cooling solution. While there's no Founders Edition this time, you can choose from various models by manufacturers like Asus and MSI, each offering unique overclocking capabilities and RGB lighting effects. Under the hood, this card boasts impressive specs: 16GB of GDDR6X VRAM, a wider 256-bit memory bus, and slightly higher clock speeds compared to its predecessor. These enhancements promise better performance, especially in demanding 4K gaming scenarios and creative workloads. Moving on to performance, the RTX 4070 Super delivers solid results. It excels in 4K gaming, offering smoother frame rates and improved minimum FPS over the RTX 4070 It's particularly commendable in ray tracing, where Nvidia's advancements shine, though it faces stiff competition from AMD's RX 7900 XT in raw rasterization performance. For creative professionals, the RTX 4070 Super proves to be a capable companion, leveraging its CUDA cores effectively in applications like Blender and V-Ray. However, those looking for top-tier creative performance might find themselves eyeing the RTX 4080 Super for its additional power and capabilities. In terms of power efficiency, the RTX 4070 Super performs admirably with a total graphics power comparable to its predecessor. This means you get improved performance without significantly increasing power consumption. Should you invest in the RTX 4070 Super? If you're upgrading from an older card or looking to future-proof your gaming rig for 4K gaming and ray tracing, this card is a solid choice. Its competitive pricing and enhanced performance make it a worthy contender in today's GPU market. Wrapping things up, the Nvidia Geforce RTX 4070 Super proves to be a commendable successor to the RTX 4070. It offers improved performance across the board, though it faces tough competition from both AMD's RX 7900 XT and Nvidia's own RTX 4080 Super. Ultimately, your decision will hinge on your specific needs and budget. I give the Nvidia Geforce RTX 4070 Super a solid 8 out of 10. It's a fantastic option for gamers and creators alike, providing a balance of performance, features, and value. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Until next time, take care.